Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV and hope you guys are well. Today we're gonna do a Louis Vuitton unboxing. Currently, I'm in Houston, Texas to visit my family, and we went to Houston Galleria and got this beautiful handbag, and let's open this together. This is it, guys. I am so happy with this purchase as I was looking online and cannot find it over there, but today when I checked, it is placed in cart. However, I was so happy that the store has 3 of these. This is it. It is the new bag. It's a Speedy 20 in Damier Ebene, and it just came out, and I'm so happy to be able to get hold of this. I really love this Speedy 20 monogram that I got. That when I knew that they will come up with this one, I'm sure that I'm gonna love this size. And the strap looks like this. It is in a light brown color, and it's nice that this one is adjustable, and it also has a dark brown color over here as a contrast, has the same color over here. I am glad that this come in adjustable strap, and the bag is beautifully made. I inspected it at the store, and this one is made in USA. The SA told me that this could have been made in Dallas, Texas, as they have a big factory in Dallas, and the bag is perfect. And I really like this size. That's why I got another one on this size. Inside has a red color, and it also has this lock and keys, I presume. So it has 2 keys and an LV lock, and it came with this cute pouch. And the SA is very patient and very nice, because I also tried the monogram Speedy 20 and also the leather, like on the beach. Is it called on the beach, like the blue color? And I love this classic Damier Ebene, as I have a lot of monogram, but I only have one Damier Ebene in mini pochette, and my Never Full is also in Damier Ebene. Otherwise, the rest are monogram. And the SA gave me this 4 perfume samples to try. And the bag is really nice, as the zipper is all the way down here, unlike with the monogram Speedy 20. I'm debating between the monogram and this at first. However, the zipper was kind of tight with the monogram, as it's only up to here on top. It doesn't have an extension over here, and it makes a lot of difference when you gonna open the bag and grab your stuff. It's only like the opening is like this if I'm gonna simulate it, and it's small. I find it smaller if you're gonna open it, and it cannot open wide as this classic canvas Speedy compared to the monogram Speedy 20. And this is like the right amount of size. I'm 5'4" and 125 pounds, and this Speedy 20 is just perfect for me, and it fits all my essentials, and I really love this size. You can see that unlike with the bandolier bags with like a leather material here, this one comes in small leather material here with the D-ring. And at the back it looks like this. I also noticed that with Speedy 20, the lining is thicker. Like the regular Speedy doesn't have the lining. I mean, this one has a thicker lining, and you can also like pull it out to clean it, like so. And it also has this insert where you can put the cards, and inside has this made in USA. And this one says coated fabric, textile, and vaqueta leather. It says vaqueta leather, but this one is more like the dark color. I understand if you say vaqueta leather, it means that it's a naked leather. So I don't know why it was described as vaqueta or vachette leather. And it also have this barcode. And I paid, this is 2,030 US dollars, and this is my receipt, and I paid a total of 2,197 and 48 cents. So I got this in Texas, and I think the taxes in Texas is a little bit lower than where I live. So I am glad that I was able to find this. And let's attach the strap. I also tried the Diane handbag in white leather, and I really love it. However, I wanted a bag that is grab and go, and I will not have to worry about it. So I went back and decided for this instead. And this is what it looks like if you put it on. It's adjustable so it can go longer. And this is just like the right size for my frame. I really love this bag. So let's compare it with this Speedy monogram that I have. Let's compare it, what it looks like side by side, and the back, and here at the bottom. And it is nice that here in the monogram, you always have to be mindful to put it in front like this, so the pattern is all in the right place. Unlike here at the back, it's upside down. With the Damier Ebene, you don't have to worry which side of the bag you want it to be, as it is the right side no matter where you place the bag. And let's try to put things inside. So this is what's inside in my monogram Speedy 20, and I'm using a Zoomini organizer. And in Zoomini, you can use my 20% discount code Stardust LV if you wanna use this organizer. And this is in 1.2 mm, and it has several inserts, guys, and this will gonna protect the interior of the bag. Now that I have two Speedy 20, it will also be useful if I'll transfer my stuff from one bag to another, and it will also protect the shape of the bag when storing. So don't forget to use my discount code 20% off at zoomini.com. And this is what's inside. I have this hotel key card and our IDs, and then I also have this key, this recto verso wallet, and a YSL lipstick, and my Louis Vuitton receipt, and also my Supergoop sunscreen. It's very hot in Houston right now, hot and humid, and this is useful. And I have my Chanel sunglasses, which comes in handy, and I also have this Purell hand sanitizer, and also a Chanel mirror, and this perfume sample. Let's put it back in here, and this is what it looks like, guys. And it is nice that it can organize the stuff inside this organizer. And this is the thin organizer, and I'm gonna put it inside this new Damier Ebene Speedy 20. What I like about the 1.2 mm insert is it doesn't really add up to the weight of the bag, and it also easy to transfer it from one bag to another when you're gonna put it out and put it in another bag. So this is what it looks like, and it is nice that everything is organized. And let's close it. This is so pretty, guys. I like that it is light, just like my monogram Speedy 20, and so excited that I can switch from this bag to this bag. And this has been my favorite bag. That's why I decided to add another Speedy 20. And it is just a practical, functional bag, and it carries my essentials. It looks pretty on. It goes well with any outfit that I have. And if you are like me who dress so casually, this is the best grab and go bag. And it also looks flattering on, and we'll do some mud shots. Body, it's very pretty. And if you're gonna ask me what's the longest of this strap, so this is what it looks like at its longest. So I'm 5'4", and at its longest it looks like this. So this is the longest strap, and this is my non-adjustable strap in monogram, and both are pretty. Like I don't like longer crossbody, but this one I don't mind, if because maybe the size of the bag is flattering, that I don't mind it even if it's at the longest strap setting. So this is just perfect. I really love it, guys. And if I'm gonna put it on my shoulder, so let's do the shortest setting on this, so you're gonna see what it looks like on its shortest. I'm really excited to have this adjustable strap. This strap looks dull in the website, but up close in person, I really like the subtle color that it has. In the website, I don't find it that flattering, but when I saw it at the store, like it's just complement the color of this Damier Ebene. And I can also put this in my monogram. So this is at the shortest setting, which looks so flattering. If you are a Speedy handbag lover, this is just perfect, guys. Like, I am so thrilled to add this in my collection. It's so practical, and I really love the size of this bag. And I hope you're gonna try to look at this at the store to see if it will also fit your lifestyle. As for me, it really fits my lifestyle. I'm a busy mom of 3 and I work full-time, and this one is just a perfect grab and go bag. Speedy is a classic and has been with Louis Vuitton for a number of years, that you can never go wrong with a Speedy handbag. This is what it looks like handheld. So pretty, guys. I will try to transfer this strap to my monogram. I'm Speedy 20, so you're gonna see if it complements your Speedy monogram handbags. And I'm gonna remove this strap and put it in here, and let's discover together if it will work with the monogram handbag. So anyways, if you don't have a Speedy handbag, but if you have other monogram handbags, let's find out together what it looks like if you're gonna add it. It also works, guys, as this color, this Damier Ebene color, is close to this dark color in the monogram. So this is what it looks like with a monogram Speedy 20, or if you have other monogram handbags, it will also look good. Though this one is in Bachette leather, and I guess it will complement this color, while this color will complement the dark color in your monogram handbag. This is what I want to wear it, crossbody, and it's just so pretty, complements any body frame. It is nice to add a Damier Ebene Speedy 20 in my collection, and if you are a Speedy handbag lover, this is a must to have and add in your collection, as it is a practical bag. It is just the right size for everyday use. I really enjoy it. Please hit like if you like this video, and it would be nice if you subscribe as well. So I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye.